Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mira Rahayu. I'm from Telkom University. In this video, I will present our research. The title is Designing a Reading Chair Using Kansei Engineering Approach. This presentation is divided into 5 sections. First is background. Second is methodology. Third is data collecting and processing. Fourth is analysis and result, and the last is conclusion and suggestion. This paper is motivated by the decreased reading interest in almost circle in Indonesia. Based on UNESCO, a survey result said that Indonesia was the ranked 16th out of 61 country who interest in reading, and then beside that, the facility of the reading is inadequate. It means that adequate facility become one of the factor that affect someone's interest in reading. And the reading chair is one of the facility that we use in reading. Factor that influence a person to use reading chair are featured in it, the design, the comfort of the seat, the sitting position, and then the size and the color of the reading chair. According to Yasin 2019, one of the factors that influence the lack of interest in reading someone is an adequate means. Inadequate reading tools will have a negative effect on someone's reading interest, while adequate reading facility will encourage someone to read. Adequate reading facility can be the form of reading books, location or place that have convenient facilities, and then an interesting reading book as well as a place with convenient facility will provide a special attraction for someone's interest in reading. Like we see in the presentation, people so enjoy reading a book when they have in this factor is chair that we can see they're so comfortable in using the chair. And then why we use Kansei engineering method. Kansei engineering was chosen because it translates the customer impression, feeling, and demand on existing product or concept to design concentrate solution and design parameter into product design. It stated at Shute 2002. This study uses Kansei engineering to produce a product concept in the form of comfortable reading chair and accordance with user need by involving the feelings and emotion that exist in customer. In this research, we use the methodology. This is the conceptual model. There is a reading chair users, and then the factor that influence reading user, we see the picture, the design, seat position, size of the chair, the color, and the complaint. And then from reading chair users, we can get the Kansei word. From the Kansei word, we process it into analytical factor, and then this is a Kansei word classification, and then we do the Kaji method, and then to the final design, the input is anthropometry dimension, and then the product specification, and then next is data collecting and processing. Okay. The first step in Kansei engineering is taken to search for and collect Kansei word. In searching for Kansei word, it is obtained for the perception, emotion, and feeling of product user. Kansei word obtained can be in the form of adjective, noun, verb such as function, mechanism, materials, and so on, which can be found in literature, user experience, and behavior when using the product. So we can see in the presentation, this is the Kansei word that we get, and then from this after collecting Kansei word, reduction is performed on the existing Kansei word to reduce words that have similarity with other words. This is done to reduce ambiguous words between Kansei word to minimize the user of words that fit and need of user of reading chair. And then after knowing the result of the data obtained, previews will not normally distribute. The statistical technique was non-parametric statistic, so that the pretest validity and reliability testing would use to Spearman and Cronbach tests. Validity and reliability tests are used to determine the feasibility of making questionnaire. We can see in here the result of Cronbach alpha is 0.867. The R table is 0.7. It means that the data is reliable. And then after that we do the factor analysis according to Santoso 2012, the KMO and the Bartlett test for collecting for correlation between desired variable is more than 0.05 with significance value of research is less than 0.05. And then we do the principal component analysis. Here we can see the Kansei word, and then the component we name it 1, 2, and then 5 and 6. And then after that we use the category of Kansei word. According to Lukman and Kamarudin 2010, the KJ method is method that serves to describe the concept, become more detailed, and divided it into several levels to explain the characteristic of design. From here we can see this is the first level of the matrix. This is the structure, and then the characteristic is divided into mainframe, backrest, headrest, and armrest. And then in mainframe there is a specification. The mainframe merged with the chair leg, and then at backrest the specification is combined with the mainframe, and then the headrest specification is integrated with the backrest, and then the armrest blade in the mainframe. And this is the characteristic and specification of the structure. The dimension, from here we can get that height of the backrest is 72 cm, width of the backrest is 52 cm, height of the back headrest is 23 cm, and so on, like we can see in the presentation. The characteristic and specification of the feature. For the feature, we see in here that the backrest has a pillow, and then the sitting seat has a pillow too. And then in the mainframe has a footrest and with a sliding mechanism. And then there is a USB port. There are light. There are a flashbook depository. And then for the color combination, we use 3 color combination: brown, white, and light blue. And then characteristic and specification of material. We can see this is material for mainframe material. We use the stainless steel with the code 304. And then for the pillow, we use the polyurethane foam, and material pedestal seat is styrene betadine rubber. And for pillow lining material, we use the polyethylene leather. This is the picture for benchmarking reference Topan 2018. There are 3 benchmarking. We can see the design of the reference model. And then after we do the processing, we can get the visual design concept. Like here, there is a backrest, and then the headrest, and then the armrest, and then the sliding for the leg. Okay, after that, we do the evaluation of product feature. The evaluation we get from the manufacturer because we want to know whether our design is it feasible to be manufactured or no. So after that, this is the proposed picture. On the backrest, the proposal has a fixed position. And the evaluation picture is, in this evaluation, backrest is backrest the user want a backrest that can be titled because the reading position of each user is different. And then on the chair reading the proposal, there is a lamp that is located on the left side of the user with a fixed position. And then the evaluation picture, in the result of this evaluation, the user want a lamp position that can be adjusted to the user's need when reading. And then for the proposed picture in the reading chair, the proposal designed by a researcher, there is no place to support the book use. And then the evaluation picture, the result of this evaluation, user want a buffer that can be used to place the book in the front of them while reading. So the researcher added a picture in the form of holding table that user can use if needed. And the evaluation of product material in the proposed feature is stainless steel, but the manufacturer proposed carbon steel and mild steel. This is before the design before the evaluation from the manufacturer, and then this is after evaluation. The evaluation process is carried out together with expert CV Grand Pharmacindo Engineering, which is located in Jalan Soekarno-Hatta. This is the final design after get the evaluation from the manufacturer. So we can see that this is the backrest, and then there is a lamp that can be adjustable, and then the sliding for the legs, and then we put a table for user. Analysis and result. So from the analysis, we can see that there's so many changes after, before and after the evaluation. After that, we do the product material test. So we have to know whether our design is strong enough. We can see in here the result of maximum stress level is 6.473 E plus 007 Newton per meter cubic, and then meter square, and then the minimum stress level is 1.142 E minus 001 Newton per meter cubic, with yield strength is 2.8 Newton per meter cubic. And then the last section is conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion is that the Kansai engineering implementation in reading chair design can be designed from the view of the user's feeling and needs. Kansai word testing uses statistical data processing to test words that match the user need in design of the reading chair. From 23 words that have been reduced, there were 8 words cannot be used, which means the design of the reading chair only used 15 Kansai words to design the reading chair. Reading chair designed by the author produced several innovations to fulfill the needs of user. There are armrests, headrest, footrest, the USB port, lamp light, storage area for book, and then slope, adjustable, and folding table. The suggestion is for company or agency who want to design a product Kansai using Kansai engineering, especially increasing interest in reading. Kansai engineering can be implemented because it would be fit the feeling and needs of user. For next researcher who want to continue this design can use another type of Kansai engineering, so that can provide reference to agency or other people. Okay, thank you That's all from our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.